Hey guys, so today I just received this cool new dual portable monitor from JSAUX called the FlipGo. Let's take a closer look at it. So this is the FlipGo dual stacked portable monitor. So yeah, let's take a look inside the box. It's just like that. We have a quick start guide. Here's the one device itself. Here's one of them with a nice cover, and this is the screen here. And yeah, I'll take the rest out. Some more instructions here. We have an HDMI cable, USB-C cable, and the power brick. And then also another adapter as well. So yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. The JSAUX FlipGo is the world's first magnetic dual-screen portable monitor, which is designed for highly productive people by giving a triple productivity boost anytime and anywhere. When using one monitor for work, you are constantly switching back and forth between different windows, which can waste valuable time. But with the FlipGo monitors, they allow you to expand your screen space for efficient split-screen browsing and the ability to keep track of your work and ideas, as well as handle multiple desktop windows with ease. The screen features a resolution of 2.2K with a pixel density of 400 ppi and 400 nits of brightness. It also features reverse charging thanks to its additional hub ports. The screens power up directly from the USB-C port of your laptop or other devices, using just one cable to light up two screens for one to duo or ultra view mode. And when connected to an external power supply, the devices will also be charged. In ultra view and duo view, they allow you to browse long pages easier or handle complex tasks in multiple windows. And switching between display settings only takes one click, so productivity shouldn't be limited, and neither will your perspective. Both screens also have touch controls and gesture support for more options to use. But you can also utilize it as a second touchpad for your Mac, unlocking your productivity to its fullest. And thanks to the magnetic design, you can use your monitor with JSAUX multiple magnetic mounts, like the snap stand, which is like a traditional mount. Or the Flex Folio, which is both a case and a stand. It also includes a snap VESA mount adapter, so you can use it with any other monitor arm and with ease. So yeah, the FlipGo is perfect for anyone who is constantly on the go or looking to up their productivity. I highly recommend checking it out today.